guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel, Closet Entrepreneur. My name is Yvette Teresa. I'm here to show you my shipping organization. I do videos on entrepreneurship, and I have a Poshmark closet where I sell clothes and boutique items. I will link all of my channels below. So this little cart here is what I got at Michael's. It is the Recollections cart, and I will link it down below. I got it on sale for $29, and this is the rose gold color. I did a purchase and then pick up in store, but at that time we were just picking up outside, so didn't really get a chance to look at it. But once I put it together, it's a pretty nice little cart. It's really sturdy, and what I really love about it is that it's easy to move and take it to the table with me. I just kind of leave it to the side here. When I'm shipping, I bring it to the table, and then I can sit down and everything is right there that I need to ship. So I don't have to keep getting up and getting a bunch of stuff, you know, in order to get organized. And it was a disaster. I had shipping supplies everywhere. I had boxes everywhere. I had the tape gun here, and it literally took over the house, and it looked so cluttered. And so really, with just this little small investment, $29, it takes up very little space. Everything is organized and not all over the place. So it was a big improvement, and it's made my life so much easier. So I'll kind of walk you guys through and show you what I have in this little cart. So yeah, here we go. So this is the first shelf that I have, and I'll just kind of show you what I have here. This is the stuff I use every single time I ship something out. It's the first thing I do. I want everything really easy on hand, and that's basically everything on the top shelf here. I have pens. I love gel pens, and these are really, really nice. The Papermate Ink Joy pens. I got a pack of these from Target. I think it was like their back to school special, and it's really nice. It even has browns, and been really loving that. I got this tape gun at Amazon, and I like it. You know, it took me a little bit of time to get used to it, but I like it. It was difficult because I wasn't even using it right. I put a weight at the bottom of this jar right here, so that if you can see, there's like a little weight right there. And I did that so that it doesn't topple over. And I used a lot of just mason jars that I got from tomato sauce, and that way it was free. Free is always better than, you know, investing money when you can just utilize what you have. So yeah, that's my tape gun, and because it's right there, one of the first things you see, I wanted to decorate it with some stickers just so that it looks a little bit nicer. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Pencil sharpeners, pens, scissors. This tape I got from Daiso. It's really, really nice tape because I was trying to use washi tape to wrap kind of everything in, and I used washi tape and it did not hold. But I wanted to use like a kind of thicker like duct tape, but I didn't like just the solid colors. So I went to Daiso and I picked up this one and this one. And it's really, really nice. I only need a little bit, and it secures the tissue paper and everything inside it shut. So I really like that. It secures it nicely. More pens. I have here these paint pens that I also got on Amazon. I can use these to write on top of the mail bags that I have. So I really like those, and I can just write thank you, or, you know, I can use them to write little notes. And so that's really what I use like the gel pens and everything for. Sometimes I'll write a note. I use the post-it notes to kind of say, you know, your items have been sanitized. I have hand sanitizer, and I always use that. Before I ship anything out, I always wash everything and make sure everything's like ready to wear when people get it. So I want to make sure that everything, you know, my hands are clean and everything I touch is clean before I do anything in terms of shipment. So I have my thank you cards here. So those are my thank you cards. And there is all of my, my social media. And here is my virtual assistant cards, because I do have a virtual assistant company where we do share your closet for you. And I have my cousins that help me with that. So it's actually live people, not a robot, that help you to organize and share your closet. So it's really great. It's helped me a lot to make sales. So yeah, I like to include that so people know about it. Stickers. So yeah, I love stickers. So this one, I think people might recognize this sticker, which is Rilakkuma. So I like to sometimes add stickers. And then I have this little set of sticker sheets that I got from Amazon too for my planner. And of course I have my bags, and this is, I think, 13 by 9 or something, 13 by 9. So just a little bit bigger than like your normal 11 by 8 bags, and pretty much everything fits in there. So I use these for eBay, not really for Poshmark, because I do use the USPS boxes. That was my first shelf. In terms of how I set up my shipments or my actual items, is I usually put them in a poly bag. So just a bag like this. This is my small size. And that ensures that everything stays dry, it doesn't get wet. Again, it stays clean. It doesn't touch anything else. So it's just another layer of protection for the items. And I had a really big problem with organizing these, because I had them like in bins like this, and they were flopping all over the place. They didn't stay together. They were a complete disaster, and I would have to rifle through the different bags to find the size I wanted. And the best solution was putting it in these padded envelopes, because it stands up, they stay in place, and I can label them. This is my ticket gun, and the reason I use this is sometimes I purchase something from the store and the tag comes off. So I just like to put the tag on in case it falls off. So this is really, really handy, and it really has saved me so much money, because if an item is, $50 without the tag, it goes to like $20. So if the tag falls off for any reason and it is brand new, then I do use this, and it's been a lifesaver. Really worth its price tag. The lint roller is kind of the same thing. You can really refresh an item that has really gotten bad shape. T-shirts, pants, really sweaters. You can really revive them, make them new again. And that's been really handy. Again, a total lifesaver. It does save you a lot of money. It gets you more per item. So, a really, really small investment for a large reward at the end. And the lint roller. So these items I use almost every day, especially the lint roller. No matter what it is, even if it doesn't look terribly linty, I still pass this through. In the end, like, my items will look brand new. That's really also a game changer. Third row here are kind of more backup stuff. So I have more lint rollers. I have this USPS tape. So when I'm taping up the boxes, it saves money rather than using my own tape, especially since the buyer has already paid. Some extra masking tape, and I have numbered labels here. This is part of my system of organizing all my inventory. I label everything, I put it in the bag so I can find it later. And a pencil sharpener. I have some bounce dryer sheets. Sometimes I put them in the boxes of inventory that I have just to keep everything fresh. And that's pretty much it. In terms of the USPS boxes, I need to come up with a better system for that, just because it's a lot of different boxes I order. I like to have them on hand so I don't run out. And that's pretty much it. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.